What was Bob Marley's last thing before he died? After landing in Miami, Florida, he was taken to Cedars of Lebanon Hospital. This was for immediate medical attention. He then died on 11th of May, 1981, age 36, due to the spread of melanoma to his lungs and his brain. His final words to his son Ziggy Marley: "Money can't buy life." What's going on? My name is knotlocks. This is Knot Nation, and today I just wanted to share with you guys the last photo of Bob Marley when he was alive. Surprisingly, I had never seen this photo before, and Bob has played such a inspiring, Locs-spiring role in my life in terms of helping me decide to grow freeform locks and bringing that knowledge out to you guys forward for you guys to be inspired to grow locks as well. We all know Bob Marley as the man with the legendary and iconic freeform locks, the truest freeform locks to probably ever exist. No manipulation, just straight freeform. This photo right here is exactly Bob Marley's last moment, or his last photo depicted of him before he died. We can see in this photo that his locks are gone at this point. His tam is so close to his head that there's no way his legendary locks would be fitting underneath this tam. So it's a sign, it's a sign of his sickly days towards his end. And we know that Bob died of cancer, so it would have really deteriorated his health and his hair towards the end of his life. Kind of sad seeing this photo compared to ones like this when his locks were really full inside that tam. Of course, this isn't the only photo of Bob that I've come across with him not having any locks. You can look at Bob Marley before the fame when he was 16, and there's plenty of images of him without dreadlocks here as well. So it's almost like his life came full circle. He started off his music career without locks, and he ended his music career, his life career, without locks. Oftentimes, that is a good moral arc for a good story to be told, for it to tie back to the beginning. There's a conspiracy that Bob never really died to begin with, and if you look it up, there is this photo that pops up claiming that Bob Marley was found as the body of a homeless man behind fast food restaurant in Jamaica. Now, I find this story to be truly bogus. Fake news reports the body of a homeless man found behind a Jamaican fast food restaurant was identified as Bob Marley. There's no way. I mean, the picture of the dude that they took looks pretty photoshopped, to be honest. Doesn't really look like a real photo to me at all, but it does resemble Bob quite a bit. It's crazy to think that. So speaking of which, cancer patients often need medicine of their own, and the best medicine I personally find to help with all sorts of diseases is cannabis, especially within the cancer care industry. Cannabis and cannabis oil can be highly effective. So why not learn to grow your own? Which brings me to today's sponsor of this video, from Herbie Seeds. A quick moment from our sponsor. This video is brought to us today by Herbie Seeds. You can check out their website for the Black Friday sale happening from November 23rd to November 30th, 2021. Big discounts up to 95% off. Some strains you can get on sale right now are the Super Potent Runts Muffins and Gorilla Skittles. Barney's Farm is sending those out. Purple Lemonade Autos and Girl Scout Cookie Autos from Fast Buds, and many other seeds from the toppest producers around. You won't find these at such low prices anywhere else. Herbie's very own strain selections, from the Blueberry Hill, the Sourest Amnesia, top bestseller at 30% THC, Grandmommy Purple. When you big up your order to 80 euros or more, you will receive some rare seeds from Humboldt Seeds in their original packaging. These are collector's items. You can use the code NOTNationBF for an additional maximum discount. Don't miss out on this chance to invest in some classic seeds and some top strains at rock bottom prices so that you can grow whenever you want. Because who wants to buy weed all the time? Grow your own medicine. And I really just felt like sharing this last known photo of Bob that I've come across, because maybe a lot of you guys haven't seen it before. At this point, I would love to ask, what is your favorite song by Bob Marley that he has blessed us with on this earth? And I'll make a playlist of all these songs and I'll link it in my channel once we collaborate with some ideas here. So let me know down in the comments below, what's your favorite Bob Marley song? But until next time, I'm gonna sign off. This is Knot Nation, coming to you live with some Bob Marley content. I mean, Bob Marley's Locs always been so inspirational and dreadicational here on the interwebs. If it wasn't for Bob Marley, I swear this channel wouldn't even exist. He's been my biggest Locs-spiration my whole life. So definitely one love to the greatest. See you guys next time. Peace out. One love. Stay happy and natty. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm gone.